Well, hello there, boys and girls.
We're going on an adventure for the first time in a long time. It's 2 days into spring now. The winter, we did some stuff around the house, but not really. Yeah, we went to a ball. I mean, we did some fun things. I didn't really film too much as far as for the channel, some stuff on our Instagram, but now we are doing a big adventure. Where are we going?
We're going to Queenstown.
And where's that?
We're going to the South Island, to the Southern Alps, to go skiing. Because there's no snow on this island.
Yeah, no, unfortunately it's been a warm winter, so the one ski resort here is closed. But we're going down the South Island for the first time to go skiing and snowboarding down in Queenstown. And we are super excited. We haven't been skiing or snowboarding since, I think...
Right before we came to New Zealand.
I guess before we came to New Zealand, yeah. So it's been a little while. We're super excited. We're on the road now. We're gonna hit the airport. We go to do the domestic terminal for the first time. Flying a new airline for the first time. Lots of firsts for this adventure. So we're super excited, and I hope I get some fun footage to share with you guys. We're here.
Ah!
We did it. We're in our fancy rental car.
So fancy.
I got a big old SUV just in case it snows.
Yeah.
Man, it is incredible. I couldn't get a lot in the airport because we just barely made it to the plane on time. I didn't have a window seat, so I don't have too many epic shots of flying in here, but man, this place is amazing. I can't wait to take more photos and video to show you guys, but right now we are ready to go to our hotel, and then dinner time, drinks, definitely drinks.
It was an interesting flight. It was loud.
It was quite. That's also why I didn't film in the flight too. Quite loud. But we are ready to go, and
I got our route. We're all set.
We're gonna have an epic weekend.
It's so pretty.
All right, here at our room. Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to our room.
It's nice.
Yeah, this is great. So it's just for
a
2
room.
nights.
Yeah.
I love the lighting in here.
I know. It's really cool. They did a really neat job with it.
So there's the restroom. So that's the shower.
Shower. Nice.
And then this door is the toilet.
Yep.
It's got a TV with I'm assuming like a little desk that folds there. Yep.
Oh, nice.
That's hefty. Oh, look, a live cam
Cool.
from the roof of the hotel.
You wouldn't want to stay here very long.
No, this is definitely for a couple nights.
Yeah, because, there's
literally no space for anything.
Well, yeah, and there's no, closet, there's
Yeah.
no wardrobe, there's none of that stuff. But, if you're just in town for a couple of days, and it was really affordable, and it's super chill and pretty straightforward, I think it's great. It looks awesome.
Yeah, it's cool. They have an app that you download, and that's your room key. I think you control things from your room as well as the buttons on here.
Lots of ports, lots of places.
Plenty of plugs. It's a really cool kind of fashion-forward type of hotel, but again, it was super affordable, which is awesome. All right, let's put on warm clothes. And as I keep saying over and over again, what'd you get?
This bird. I almost always get one when I see it on the menu just because they're not that common. That's nice.
I got me an old-fashioned and this bomb there. We got quail. Hello.
Hello.
Where are we?
Blue Kanu.
There you go. So this place was recommended, well, I found it based off of Google recommendations, but then all of my coworkers said it's an amazing place. So we're here to try it out. Asian fusion. Polynesian, but tiki drinks, which makes me happy. So yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. This is so cool. Look at the town behind us. Oh man, we are loving Queenstown right now. This is
it's our vibe.
This is fully our vibe. Yeah, we'll be coming here a lot more often. Here we are in Queenstown, day 2 technically. Sorry if it gets a little loud, they're loading actual coal into this ship. It's the Southern Hemisphere's only coal burning ship, so that's pretty cool. Steam ship. But man, we were just saying, this town is special. I mean, look behind me. Just look at all of this.
Queenstown is unique. Like, this is a special place. You have to want to get here, obviously, because it's so far away. But
Yeah.
if you make the journey and make the effort to get down here, holy crap, it's...
I'm not much of a living in a small town or mountain community kind of person, but we love the vibe here. The beauty is just incredible, and I mean, it's just, I think I could live here. This is really, really awesome. If you get a chance to come down here, you have to take advantage of it. We just walked through Queenstown Gardens, and it's a really cool area. I bet in the spring and summertime, it's just full of, well, not just packed, but just full of life and beautiful flowers and blooms. As you can tell, it's super windy right now. The waves on the lake are huge. It looks like ocean waves at times.
Sounds like
And there's the wind. A little gusty.
pretty.
Sweet. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Ferg Burger. Let's go to the bar. Ferg Burger. Everyone was saying we have to try it.
Holy hell.
It looks a lot bigger. Did we get the wrong one?
That's a big burger.
Yeah, I thought it was the little tiny one. Oh well. This is the Ferg Burger, so let's give it a shot.
That is a monster of a burger.
Okay, that's actually a pretty good burger.
Seriously? That hype? Although the line wasn't that bad.
Mm-mm.
It looks like nonsense.
Do another.
But it wasn't that bad of a line. I'm thinking, look at that burger.
Well, it's pretty darn good. I'll give them that.
Would you get another one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I think that's the test.
Yep. No, it's good.
Okay, cool.
We finished our second day in Queenstown up on the roof of our hotel with a nice bottle of wine. We knew that the next 2 days on the slopes were going to challenge us physically, so we'd have to get some rest. Hello. It's snowing.